Sorry. Thank you.
This is a test of the child detection emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This concludes our test of the child detection emergency broadcast system. If there had been an actual sighting of a human child in Monstropolis, you would have been instructed where to tune in for news and official information. This concludes our test of the child detection emergency broadcast system. Hello and welcome from the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce. I hope you enjoy your stay in our beautiful city. Whether it's delicious dining, sensational shopping, or scary Monstropolis offers something for everyone. Our city may be constantly rocked, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town living and small-town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transportation Terminal. Our transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For immediate transportation, Monstropolis services available at any time. Please proceed to the train bring your meal. Thank you. Keep listening. Attentively sing the Lowery Safety Monstropolis. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your children.
Right there?
Oh, okay.
Here, this line.
Ah, special. I just won.
One, you're going to take row one for me, please?
All right, thank you.
Alright, friends, go ahead and stop watch your hands and knees. Thank you. All right, this is your cabin.
Oh, googly bear!
Human child froze me with his telepathic control. He made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Hey, Greg!
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Spread out and lock it.
minutes. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, Bill?
Race you to the scare floor.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We surrounded it. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319